Nakaberde, let's get this finals rematch ongoing. First point belonging to who? FEU ba? Hindi pa. First clear attack of the match, no good for Gene Asis. Borromeo could not get that drop to go. Takbo kaagad magkabilang koponan dito at nakakapuntos ang St. Benil.
In the beginning of that rally, no?
Asis one more time. Dug by Estoque. Siya ang oopensa. That one is good for Waylene.
Yan yung zone 1 yan because everybody goes to the middle for, defense. Look at that.
Bakangke, Asis, and Petalio. 3 decent net defenders just like that.
Yeah. Para maunahan nila ang blocking. Look at that. Established na yung blockers dahil alam nila kung saan manggagaling yung attack.
Sofia Badion making an appearance early on in this first set. Hindi gumana yung block ni Nolasco. Down the line naman.
Hindi siya puro outside. Tinitingnan niya saan ba tatakbo ang blockers ko. Okay, iba-backset ko to.
Lubong tendency talaga. Maiiba yung orientation. Ayun na lang si Rhea Densing.
EU. Kabisado nila yung net. So kung alam mo na hindi mo matcha-challenge yung block, paglaruan mo yung block.
Scored 12 points in their game against UE. Ito si Rhea Densing.
Good dig.
Gene Asis was dug. Densing no good. Punta sa gilid. Tagad!
Look at this. There goes that hit. A single blocker. But she timed her jump very well. At hinarap niya.
Atake. Nolasco wala. Faida Bakangke. Finally scoring.
Tingnan natin. There's that setup from Asis. Layo din ng sinet niya. The blockers were there. Pero ang tangkad so it went over the blockers.
Kung ikaw ang CSB, gusto mong mag-capitalize dito. That was an opening. But
fine. Si Bakangke ng mababa to force her to go for a fast hit. And ayun, because mabilis yung hit niya,
on the side of the Lady Tamaraws, 8 set points at the disposal of FEU. Butata ang CSB, pero buhay pa ang bola. For the finish, Petalio!
Ang ganda ng setup ni Miranda, ang ganda ng kote.
Saktong-saktong panapos, Jiangnan hotpot attack of the set. Hotpot ba? Sigurado, a-attack sa Jiangnan. Itong mga taga-FEU. Starting. Mamaya, may nakikita tayong new face on the floor para sa panig ni Coach Manolo Refugia. In the meantime, that responsibility will lie perhaps first on the attackers.
Yung blocker, lalo na kapag, established na sila Nandyan na sila wala talagang pupuntahan ng bola mo. So you might as well just go.
Dito sa St. Benil. Now it's FEU who got that error. They just need to capitalize.
So pag meron ka ng more or less na alam yung pattern ng kalaban mo, kaya mo na siyang bantayan sa blocking.
Oh, Tin Ubaldo.
Hindi, setter lang siya. But because she does things like this, on to attack.
Totally in sync.
Yeah.
Doing the same thing on Dangan, almost scoring. CSB will be given another opportunity in this rally. Kai, no good. Yatigan, in-over lang. FEU naman ang aatake. Loresco. Ang laro niya nung high school, ginawang middle blocker. Parang wala nag-iba.
At walang nag-block.
Yun lang sa FEU.
Wow.
Sige, yung setter mo, yung veterano, ang binibigyan niya ng mga atake, yung mga rookies tulad niyan. Melody Pons, muntik na. Di lang nagkaintindihan sa second ball. And where will Team Ubaldo go? To Loresco. Now, nandun na si Christy Ondangan. Borromeo again, rejected by Bakangke. Ball is still alive. On the other side, wala pa rin. Para kay Hanel Yeses. Borromeo, wala pa rin. Back set. Bakangke couldn't finish. Ay, di, matatapos na.
Ang fluid ng kanilang sistema.
Pang-hotpot ba?
Pang-hotpot talaga.
Basta yan nakita nyo. Jiangnan hotpot attack. Hotpot ba?
CSB.
Tight set coming from Tin Ubaldo. Second ball, wala. Another time, Zambo Lasco doing some work. Bakangke could not connect on the drop. Kagulo lang dun sa panig ng St. Benilde. Ubaldo to Asis. Nope. Basilio going to Nolasco. Rally goes on. Kyle Yeses couldn't finish. Ubaldo setting it over. Play goes on. Borromeo rejected by Gene Asis.
Saan manggagaling yung attack? Look at that. Yung bola nasa gitna talaga ng mga kamay niya eh. Walang lal.
Santa Mucal pa rin na set point ito para sa FAU. Over reception. Opensa. Estoque. Wala. Dinala sa kabila. Kagulo sa net. Miranda.
Again, the centers of FEU, hindi sila they even can score on their own. Look at that. Beautifully done by Miranda.
Si Lidita Maraus, Jay De La Cruz, Chiqui Pablo, Sara Asido. Bring you this action. Tumama sa mic. Estoque, nope. Siya nag-umpisa dito para sa panig ni Coach Jerry Yee. Backset ni Basilio kay Estoque.
Ate, yung nangyari, that's a good back set. It's high enough, far from the net. Kaya pwedeng nice serve.
Over reception. Good read coming from... And from the looks of it, the Lady Blazers are getting their groove of it. Sharp serve.
Yeah.
Then sing. Yes!
See, tinarget niya, tingnan mo ito. Yung tips ng fingers ni Ubaldo. Help, diba?
And a rare time na hindi naabot ni Fido Bakangke yung ganong high ball. Opensa ng CSB, Estoque, no! Backset, Bakangke sa uno!
Oh. Wow, how do you stop Bakangke? Ito yung ganda na naman kasi ng backset ni Ubaldo. Medyo lang na late yung middle block.
6 serving 7 tayo. No good for Sam Nolasco. Faida, wala pa rin. Zen, Tokay, rejected. Play goes on. Faida was there. From the back row, Jercel Petalio, dug by Fiona Gitigan. Ubaldo going to Loresco.
To a push. Look at that. Ganda nung pagka-push niya sa gitna. Kanina kasi...
All is still alive. Anthony yung kambal. Pares silang nasa loob para sa CSB. Melody Pons. Nope. Great take by Wewe. No good for Harid SS. Clarice Loresco. May libero instincts din eh, di ba? Pero itong ginawa ni Clarice Loresco, Jack Nanhat pat attack of the set natin niya. Binil yung tapang eh. Kailangan lumabas yung tapang nila sa court eh. Ayan na, nilakasan na raw yung palo. Faida naman sa kabila.
Si Faida, kita mo yan, ang layo ng pinanggalingan niya, but it was a perfect set. Look at that. For a down the line.
But she will carry on. Kasi dalawa lang naman inaabula sa Benil. Ganda na play!
There's that setup. Kita mo, na mistimed eh, ng blocker ang kanyang talon. Middle blocker. Middle hitter.
First point of Micah go in this match. In the meantime, Bakangke!
How can you block her? It's so hard to block her. Pag sinara mo yung ano...
Jerry smile during a match. Will it turn into a point for the Lady Blazers? No!
Look at this. Talaga namang... Bakit hindi mo ibibigay kay Asi?
Never say die mode ang CSB sa pagkakataon na to. Petalio could not stop everything. Then Singh couldn't score. Battle at the net. Butatapang inabot. Asis will set it up. Napasobra. Ay, sandali.
Are reaching beyond the net. Violation. Ayun.
Yun ba iseset kasi ni Tine?
Yun. But you know, ang FEU displayed yung system nila of volleyball na matagal nang nakatatag sa kanilang university. Their blocking, their floor defense, and Ubaldo did a good job in distributing the sets. Pero Bakangke, wow. Ito yung kwento. Look at that. 20 attack points. Very limited ang atake ng CSB to 8. Pero ang dami nilang blocks. They really tried to